Let's try a filtering exercise in which we're looking for the locations of a particular species. In this case, we're going to once again start with our map, go to the filtering section. We're going to check a date range of the start of the calendar year of 2022 until today's date. We want it to be research grade observations, and this time we are interested in, let's say, American mink. And let's choose a location of North America. And off we go. So it's pulled up observations of American mink. Oops, I guess it has not. Didn't take that. So let's there we go. Observations of American mink this calendar year in North America. And if we zoom in a little bit again, we can see that there are quite a few in eastern United States and the Toronto area, and this may be a factor of the number of observers in that area as well as the number of mink. So it's not necessarily that mink aren't found in other locations. It may just be that there was no one there to observe it and or no one reporting that information to the iNaturalist platform.